Welcome to the UOC Library. In this video, we'll show you how to get the most out of our search engine, a key tool for finding everything you need for your work. The UOC Library search engine gives you access to thousands of digital resources. But remember, less is more if you want to find exactly what you need. Refine your search to get the best possible results. If you're looking for a particular document, enter all the information you have about it, such as the author, title, keywords, etc. On the other hand, we recommend using several keywords if you're looking for information about a specific topic. Write quotation marks before and after terms that contain more than one word. For example, attention deficit disorder. Combine your keywords with the Boolean operators and, or, and not to refine your searches even further. These help you narrow down the results and find exactly what you need. Once you have the results, you can refine them by applying filters such as the creation date or the author. This will help you get the documents that are most relevant to you. Apply the online filter to see the documents immediately available for access. And if you want to refine your search even further, you can limit it by language or type of resource, such as books, theses, or academic articles. Can't find what you're looking for? Select the Extend Your Search to Other Libraries button. This will extend your search to include resources at other academic institutions. When you find it, click on the title. A new page will open listing all the options available to you to request it. What else can you do? Log in with your UOC credentials to be able to use all the search engine's features. For example, you can save your searches by clicking on the Save Query button. You can also turn on alerts to receive notifications sent to your UOC email when new content related to your search is published. Simply click on Turn on Notification for this query. Save the results you like the most as favorites. Select them and click on the pin icon. View, delete and manage alerts in the My Favorite space. With these tips, you're ready to get the most out of the UOC Library search engine. Discover, learn and create with the best resources available.